These 5 easy things to support pollinators in your home garden in April and May. 1. Plant native plants, like this prairie smoke. It provides pollen and nectar for queen bumblebees and other bees too. 2. Cut stems back 12 to 15 inches. That's tall stems for our native bees. It gives them plenty of room for making their nests, like the tiny little Serratina and yellow-faced bees too. 3. Leave the leaves to provide lots of places for many pollinators to shelter, like polyphemus moth cocoons, queen bumblebees, and other wildlife too. 4. Leave some bare soil. This is great for gentle native ground nesting bees like green sweat bees. 5. Plant a log in your garden. Many pollinators will use crevices in logs, holes, and bark to overwinter, shelter, and nest as well. Let's get out there and start gardening.